Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Today I am unboxing my cloth and paper subscription box, and I had to take it actually out of the box already because it, I had some bad weather and it got kind of wet, but everything on the inside is perfect. So this is the March 2021 stationery box, and this is the card saying exactly what is inside. So lots of things in this subscription box. All right, so let's open it up. And as you can see, I have not broken the seal, and it's got a white dot on here this time. Usually it's a little black dot. And I already see something beautiful. Ooh, a cleaning checklist. Nice. All right. Wow, that's like really big. So cleaning checklist. When your environment is clean, you feel happy, motivated, and healthy. Oh my gosh, that is so true. I just started my cleaning for this spring. I shouldn't say did, I started it. And this is going to be really helpful. So we've got daily, different things to do daily, weekly, monthly, and then quarterly. So this is really just a straight up cleaning checklist, not necessarily a spring cleaning. Yeah, this is going to be really, really nice. Ooh, all kinds of goodies under here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually move everything out to the side, and then I will go through them individually with you. Be right back. All right, so you get an idea of what this subscription box is going to entail, and it is starting off with cleaning. So we're in the spring, so they're setting us up for getting on all organized with our spring cleaning. So we've got these two inserts here. We've got cleaning inserts and right in here, and then on the inside of what this insert is a little demo page. So it's going to show you how you can use this insert. Let's take a look at the insert itself. So there are quite a few pages, as a matter of fact, so pretty generous there on the inserts. And we've got here cleaning chores the week of, and then you can write down your daily chores. You've got your little habit tracker there for them. And then you've got the whole week listed with some little bullet points there. So whatever you want to clean on Monday, you just jot that down there, and you got your little box to check it off. There's a little note section down here as well. Now, if you go by this cleaning checklist, I did look this over a little bit more, and honestly, things are going to be different for everybody depending on, what your schedule looks like. So, do I make my bed every day? Honestly, no, I don't, because I'm not the last person getting out of bed. So my husband's the last person, and it's just him and I, and that's kind of it. So it's, not a big deal. So whatever it is that you do daily, you can customize and create your own list with these inserts. Like cleaning the dishes, I do that every day. Do I disinfect the sink every day? No, I don't. I do deep cleaning every week, whereas this one has here monthly deep clean bathrooms and kitchen. I do that every week, and then, in between, but, not every single day. Full disclosure, to be completely honest. And I don't know. Maybe you do. I don't know. I might wipe it down, but not completely disinfect it, totally. I don't know. These half sheets, there's a couple of different things in here. This page here describing what it is got a demo page on here as well. And then there's supply list. So we've got a little bullet points down here. You can write all of the supplies that you have, whether you need them, reminders. The back side of these inserts have got a dot grid section, and then there are a couple of other inserts towards the back that are a little bit different. Just a couple of them, like this one's tips and tricks, and this one is also tips and tricks on this side, and then this is DIY recipes. So any cleaning solutions that maybe you've come up with yourself, or certain ways you need to clean whatever item it is that you care for. You know how that goes. Sometimes certain products don't work on whatever it is that you're trying to clean out. This is the great place to jot all of those items down. So these are really nice inserts. I like them. And obviously, if you don't want to use them for what they're intended, it's just really easy to repurpose it however you need to. All right, so now we are moving on to some dashboards. Oh my goodness, so there are 3 dashboards here. So we're gonna start with the Wave dashboard. And that is this one right here. And then this one, and then the next one is Logo File, which is a lover of words. And then the Window dashboard. So let me take all of these out of the packaging and let's look at them in more detail. All right, so to start off, we have the Wave dashboard. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn how to surf. Use this as a reminder that you can handle whatever life throws at you. You're stronger than you think. Okay, very pretty. I like the meaning behind it. You always have to read what the intent was. It just has more meaning that way. That way you know why this was designed. And this has like this little texture, like the printing on here, you can feel that. So they always have some kind of different texture I've noticed on their dashboards. And this is a cardstock material. And then this one is Logo File, a lover of words. And at the top, there is Luxury and Simplicity. And this is your cardstock. It is a little bit thicker, but no texture on this one here. Now this one is the Window dashboard. There's nothing quite like opening your windows on a warm spring day. Take your time to enjoy the little things this season. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to open my windows. And I love this. It's got a little bit of a texture to it. Very pretty, very simplistic. And let's see what else we've got on. Now we're on to the back side here, and we've got a notepad. All right, let me find that. Fog color bar lined notepad, and that's this thing right here. And there's no such thing as too many notepads. Oh my gosh. Add our new color bar lined notepad. To your collection. Ooh, I like this. I like that it's got this like highlighted area. That's the color Fog. It's lined and then it's blank on the other side. Ooh, I like this one because it's just super universal. It doesn't have anything on there and it is lined. Love it. I love their accessories. All right, now we've got email, call, minimal task card set, and that's these right here. I love their task cards. They're just like the perfect size. They come with these little bullet points on here. This one says call and this one says email. The one thing I do have to say, I like these. These are great. You can clip them, you know, paper clip them onto your planner page, on your dashboard, anything like that on the front. The one thing that I wish is that maybe it was like a little bit different, because I would like to be able to put this in a pocket and be able to see this. I can't put it in a pocket that way. You know, I could put it in the pocket this way because I don't want this poking out, you know, peeking out upside down, but I would love for it to be that way. And then that way you can put it into a pocket. Just something that I am thinking I would like better. All right, so now we are on to Circle Sticky Note Set. Oh my gosh, this is a palette. Whoa, look at this, volume 2. These are 1.25 in diameter and 1.25 inches. And let's see here. There's 25 of each color. Ooh, I love their little stickies. Now these are the transparent ones. So these, like this, you'd have to definitely use, look at that, it's coming off. It sometimes happens. You have to use a specific pen in order to write on these. And with this dark one, let's see, let's look at each one of these because, of course, they seem darker than what they are because they're laid on top, but that is pretty dark. Like, you definitely would need a white gel pen to write on that. And that one you'd be able to get away with a black pen. And of course this one you would be because it's really light. Ooh, ooh, I'm loving the colors, so pretty. All right, now we are on to some page flags. Love the page flags. Oh my gosh. So we've got the quartz transparent page flags. Pretty. I just like using these to highlight things. I don't always really necessarily write on them, but this way you could kind of see the actual color. So that, is that just one? I feel like, yeah, I have one. So that is like the same as the middle one called quartz color. Very, very pretty. All right, then the last thing we have is this little packet with journaling cards in here, and there's 4 of them. And let's see, what do we have? So here is the month of May. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. I'm like, May. They're really good because they send these out really far in advance. So I know that we're going to be going into April, but I already have the card for April in the last box that I received. And then here we've got The More Grateful I Am, The More Beauty I See by Mary Davis. Pretty. Ooh, I really like this one. A fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset. There you go. And then here we have our May in the regular like white cardstock card. And then this is the translucent for May. So, oh my goodness, wow. All right, I love everything in here. It's so beautiful, it's clean, it's just very minimal. And if you love minimalist look, then you definitely need to check out Cloth and Paper. I will link their shop down below and you could take a look and see all of the beautiful items that they have and so many new things coming out. It's just that time of year where like lots of new products are being released. So be sure to check them out. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel here and make sure that your notifications are turned on. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm there at It's a Wonderful Plan, and you will see things there that you don't always see here on my YouTube. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.